Hello and welcome back to my channel Study and Prepare with me, and today we will learn about US's new tariff policy and its global impact. So let's get started. The US's new tariff policy and its global impact. The US administration has recently imposed new tariffs targeting imports from several countries, particularly in sectors like steel, aluminum, electric vehicles, solar panels, and semiconductors. The policy is part of a strategy to reduce dependence on China, boost domestic manufacturing, and protect strategic industries. And what impact on India? Short-term setbacks. India exports in steel, aluminum, and textiles may face reduced competitiveness due to higher tariffs, potential decrease in revenue for exporters in these factors. Opportunities for realignment. India may benefit in the medium or to long term as US companies look for alternative supply chains outside in China. Sectors like pharma, IT, services, and certain machineries might gain. Trade negotiation. The move could complicate ongoing India-US trade negotiation, pushing India to seek tariff concessions in exchange for market access. Impact on other nations. China. Major target of tariff policy likely to see a decline in exports to the US in affected sectors may retaliate with its own tariffs, escalating trade tensions. European Union concerned about protectionism may challenge US tariff at the WTO or impose countermeasures. Mexico and Southeast Asia could benefit as alternative manufacturing hubs, attracting diverted investments from China. Global supply chain increased tariffs may lead to supply chain disruption, higher cost, and inflationary pressures globally. The US's new tariff policy is protectionist measure aimed at strengthening domestic industry but may lead to global trade frictions. While it presents challenges for India in the short term, it also opens door for strategic realignment and new trade opportunities in the long run. That's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss some important questions of this topic. Till then, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Don't forget to like this video and help me to reach 100 subscribers in my channel.